How to redeem your Stubhub gift card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can redeem your Stubhub gift card, so make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to redeem our Stubhub gift card, all we have to do is just go ahead and then actually first of all open up our browser and then just go to the Stubhub website, which is stubhub.com. Then just click on the profile icon and then just go to the option called settings from the top right hand side. And then once you come to settings, by default you will see this type of interface where on the left hand side you have to scroll to the bottom left until you find the option called Stubhub Wallet. And then once you find Stubhub Wallet, just make sure to select it, and here you can see add a code. All you have to do is make sure to enter your gift card code exactly as it appears on a gift card. So you also want to actually make sure to include the dashes if it is included in the gift card. Make sure to also include the dashes exactly, and then once you've entered your code, all you need to do is just click on the add button over here, and if your code is correct, it will be successfully redeemed. And that is it on how you can redeem your Stubhub gift card. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.